Are you reading closely and looking? First R, read the question, circle the question mark, go back to the beginning of the sentence. It says, what is the relationship between the total number of bugs and the number of bugs in each tank? So let's cross out the R and cross out the U. Now let's read the details. It says, the new bug exhibit at the zoo has a collection of bugs in 3 different tanks, as shown below. So let's cross out the R and let's circle some clues. So I know that this is about a bug exhibit, and I know that there are 3 different tanks. So here's 1, 2, 3 tanks, just like in the picture. And I need to figure out the relationship between the total number of bugs and the number of bugs in each tank. So just by looking at this problem, it looks like a really hard problem, but actually this is a really easy problem. All we have to do is focus on these answer choices, and instead of keeping them as they are, we need to change them into number sentences, because that's going to be easier for us to understand. So we have all of these bugs, and some bugs are in this tank, and this tank, and this tank, but what they want to know is how are all of the numbers related. And so they have all of the numbers right here, so we don't have to do any counting based off of what they tell us here. We just need to look at the answer choices. So A says 18. I do like numbers, so I'm going to cross it off and write it again off to the side. Is means equal, so cross out the is and write equals. And then let's copy the 3. So 18 equals 3. More than means that we need to write the plus sign, because when you add you get more. And then we can copy the 6. And now we have this number sentence. 18 is the same thing as 3 plus 6. So let's see if that's true. Now is the time when we can count and use our fingers. So start with the big number and then add on 6, 7, 8, 9. But that's not 9, that's 18. So that means A is incorrect. That's not the true relationship of those numbers. So let's go to B. B says 18, so let's copy that. 18 is means equal. So 18 equals, let's copy down the 3. And then times as much. Look at that first word, times. That's just like the multiplication symbol, the times symbol. So let's cross out times as much and write times, and then cross out the 6 and write 6. Now this says 18 is the same thing as 3 groups of 6. So let's sing the 3 song until we have 6 fingers. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and that actually is true. So I'm going to put an M for maybe. On C it says 6 is means equal, 3, copy the 3, more than, we have to add to get more, so let's put the plus sign, and then cross out the 18. So 3 plus 18, does that equal 6? No. So cross it off, and then let's copy down that 6, and then is means equal, 3, copy that down, times as much, times, so we're going to write that times symbol, and then 18. So 3 groups of 18 equals 6. So that means 18 put together with 18 put together with 18, that does not equal 6. So our answer here is B.